Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. It's What's for Supper Wednesday, and tonight we're going to be having Instant Pot or Crock Pot Tennessee chicken. I'm going to be using the Instant Pot. You'll need 3 pounds of chicken. I've got in here 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of cayenne, and we have a small pinch of cayenne in there, 2 tablespoons of dry minced onion, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then you'll need 1 cup of chicken broth. This is my home canned. 1.5 cups of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 teaspoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 4 tablespoons of water. And also optional shredded cheese for serving. Okay, if you're using the Instant Pot, you want to add your chicken broth and your chicken. The recipes for the Instant Pot and the Crock Pot will be linked below. You just put all your chicken in, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, in a bowl, you need to add your ketchup, lemon juice, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and the spices and brown sugar. I've got my ketchup, mustard, lemon juice, and Worcestershire sauce in here. And I'm going to add all the spices and the brown sugar and whisk that together. And then you just pour that over top of your chicken. Okay, I'll get the rest of that out in a minute. We'll be back. Okay, the recipe says to do not stir it. I'll put my lid on, set it to sealing, and then put it on manual. And it says 3 minutes. And then after it's done, you let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to try this one more time. We had a power outage, so we'll try this again. Hopefully nothing else goes wrong. Okay, after the 3 minutes, you let it set for 5 minutes, and then you're going to release the pressure. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to release the pressure. Okay, the recipe says to stir together your cornstarch and water and pour it over the chicken and stir and set your Instant Pot to saute. But I think I'm going to take out the chicken to mix the sauce together. Okay, I'm going to stir the 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of water. And you cook this until it's thick. Looks like it's already thickening up. Fogging you up. Now I'm going to add the chicken back to this. We'll be back. Okay, I've got the chicken back in. I'm going to turn this off and let it set for just a few minutes. Okay guys, this chicken was really good, but I would advise you to taste the sauce before you put your chicken back in. I think it needed a little bit more sweet, so I would have added a little bit more brown sugar, but that's according to your taste.
Alrighty folks, here's our plate. There's the chicken. Carolyn calls it Instapot / Crockpot Tennessee chicken. Here's our green beans, mashed taters, and here's some sourdough bread. Carolyn's made all this. Now, all the links will be in the description of the recipes she used. And folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.